Hey guys, Mrs. Talk Techie here. How many of you are tired of getting kids saying, you know what, I forgot my login and password, so I didn't do anything? I have a quick solution for that. It's using Google Forms, and you'll also get notified as soon as that form is submitted, so check it out. This is my Bitmoji virtual classroom, and it has all of the different resources that we're going to be using. In addition, if they click on this link, they're going to be taken to a Google form if they don't know their login information. The Google form will collect their email address. In addition, it's going to give them the logins and passwords that are universal for all of them. But if they need a personalized one, they fill out the form, fill out what they need it for, and click on submit. You're then going to open up the spreadsheet where you're going to find your responses. Find and click on Tools. Scroll down to Notification Rules. Click on Notify Me when a user submits a form and email me right away. After that, you'll get an email as soon as someone submits to that Google form, allowing you to respond and give your kiddos their logins and passwords.